No matter what your site is for, logos and browser icons are great elements to help build brand identity. Let's start with the site title and logo. Click the Edit button, then hover over the header and click Edit Site Header. Select Site Title and Logo. Here you can change the title of your site and upload a logo image. This image will replace the title on your site. So if you want both the title and logo, be sure to upload a logo that includes the title. Here you can also upload a mobile logo that will only be displayed when your site is viewed on a mobile device. A browser icon, sometimes called a favicon, is a small image that displays next to the page title in some browser tabs and bookmark folders. To add a favicon, navigate to the favicon panel. Here you can upload your favicon. Once you've uploaded, we recommend clearing your browser cache and restarting your browser to see the favicon update, as browsers can be very persistent in holding on to cached favicons. Please let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.